That was just a brief pause here. This won't take long though. Had some problems obviously with Max crashing, as you can imagine. Now what I'm going to do is make a box. Reason being, if I apply edge checks to my box first, I can then set it as standard and do all the setup that I need to just down here on my box. You know, setting width and so on. There we go. Now, with that done, I can select this one and do edge checks and use the same settings, standard. Now, you can see here that it sent some of the pieces into orbit. Unfortunately, that happens sometimes. So we just reduce the width and then look for mad broken verts. We don't actually need to do it though on all these parts, so what'll probably be easier is I just select the parts that really need it. For example, these mad looking chimney fellows here don't. This, however, does. Okay, so let's edge check the selected. There we go, and as you see, the difference being that doesn't screw our model up big time and make us cry. Okay, so if we're going to finish up this model and make it look satisfactory to a degree, then what we need to do next is just unhide all, click no, and unhide some of the things. So I want the gun arm back, and yeah, that's not the gun arm, is it? Where's the gun arm gone? There it is on layer 1. So gun arm is actually what appears to be left leg. Let's just change that. Alright, so there's gun arm just there. And I'm just going to straighten this arm up so that it's pointing flat, like so. Reason being, I want to take the inside part here, which fits into the mounting, and steal it. So, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to flip it 180 degrees. Clone to object, and I'm going to call this one left arm pivot, like so. Okay, now just need to locate my left arm pivot, which is inside here, and pull it out. As you can see, there's a slight difference in height on this side because I don't know, I've probably done something stupid that I shouldn't have done, but never mind. Let's just line this up. Okay, that's fine. Drop back into perspective. And then I can attach my other arm on top of this one. So, if you just find the power fist arm, what I want to do, and I think really I could do with the entire arm linked up for this, what I need to do is move this along. So, I'll just link this to this part. No, not to that part. This to this part. There we go. Now I can just move this part along. And ideally everything should move with it nicely and smoothly. There we go. Right, that's fine. Now I'm going to attach this piece in. Like so. And that gives us a completed arm unit. Let's give it this box. And I'm going to apply basic material to everything. There we are, just so it stands out slightly clearer. Purdy. Okay, let's continue on hiding things. So we want the hips, and then the pelvis, left leg, right leg. I'll hide the tools, unhide the rig. Okay, that's looking, compared to what we had, a lot better. Okay, I'm happy looking at this. I'm feeling contentment. Apart from over here where there really needs to be a smooth. I'll set an auto smooth to about 22.5. That should be enough. Okay, that's good. Good. Lovely big bolts everywhere. Check they're all attached, and they are. Okay then. So that, I think, concludes the modelling part. So all that's left to do really is just IK rig up the right arm here. So what I'm going to do is do that in the next part.